If you need to cancel your Calendly billing or downgrade your account to the free plan, this quick tutorial will walk you through it step by step. This is especially useful if you no longer need paid scheduling features, want to reduce your monthly costs, or simply want to move back to a free setup. And before we jump in, if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account. For this process, you'll need to be signed in as the owner or an admin because billing settings are only available to users with the right permissions. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click on Admin Center. This is where Calendly keeps the core account and billing controls for workspace management. After that, select Billing. Here, you'll be able to see your current subscription status, including whether you're on a paid plan and what billing cycle is active. If you're unsure whether your cancellation went through later, this is one of the first places you can check. Next, look for the option that says Change Plan. Click that and then choose Upgrade or Downgrade from the available options. Calendly may use slightly different wording depending on your account type, but the goal is to get to the Plan Change screen. Once you're there, select the free plan option. This is the key step that removes the paid subscription and moves your account back to Calendly's free tier. After selecting the free plan, follow the on-screen prompts carefully to complete the downgrade. You may be asked to confirm your choice, review what features you'll lose, or finalize the billing change. Make sure you read those prompts so you know exactly what will happen to your account. After everything is confirmed, your Calendly billing should be cancelled or downgraded successfully. It's always a good idea to go back into billing one more time and verify that your plan now shows the free version. If you still see active billing, refresh the page or check whether the change requires one final confirmation. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel Calendly billing and switch to the free plan. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.